In a world that never stops spinning, where chaos seems louder than calm, how do you stay unshaken? How do you hold your peace when the world pulls you apart? The answer lies in wisdom, timeless, unchanging, and profound. Welcome to Aristotle, the place where philosophy meets power. Today, we bring you 10 transformative lessons to keep calm, rooted in the teachings of Aristotle himself and enriched by the insights of great polymaths who mastered the art of inner peace. If you want to master your emotions, strengthen your mind, and become unshakable, stay with us till the end. Lesson 1. Know your telos. Purpose kills panic. Aristotle taught that everything has a telos, a purpose, and humans are no exception. When you know why you're here, the storms of life don't distract you. Purpose simplifies your life and filters out the noise. A man on a mission doesn't panic. He sees the fire and walks through it with intention. Ask yourself, what's your telos? Why are you doing what you're doing? If the why is clear, the chaos won't matter. Lesson 2. Master the golden mean. Balance is strength. Aristotle believed in the golden mean. Virtue lies between two extremes. Courage is between cowardice and recklessness. Calmness is between apathy and rage. So when you feel yourself spiraling into anger or freezing in fear, find the middle. Ask, what would a wise man do in between these extremes? Balance isn't boring, it's powerful. It keeps you grounded in the eye of the storm. Lesson 3. Use logos. Let reason rule emotion. According to Aristotle, the highest part of our soul is logos, reason. When emotion takes over, reason steps back, and when reason leads, emotion follows. The calmest people are not emotionless. They simply let logic lead and emotion support. Technique. Before reacting, pause and ask, what's the most reasonable interpretation of this moment? That split-second reflection can save you from days of regret. Lesson 4. Contemplation over reaction. In Nicomachean Ethics, Aristotle says that the best life is a life of contemplation. Modern polymaths like Leonardo da Vinci and Newton spent hours in still thought. They weren't escaping, they were mastering. Calmness isn't passive, it's active reflection. Make it a habit. Each day, take 10 minutes to think, not scroll. Calm grows in silence. Lesson 5. Control what you can, accept what you can't. While more of a Stoic idea, Aristotle's ethics echoes this truth. Some things are in your power, your actions, your beliefs, your reactions. Others, like the weather, other people's choices, or fate, are not. A calm person knows the line. Polymaths throughout history, from Marcus Aurelius to Benjamin Franklin, focused their energy only where it mattered. Say this, I only spend energy where it pays in peace. Lesson 6. Learn continuously. Knowledge destroys panic. Polymaths like Aristotle weren't calm by nature. They were calm by understanding. Fear thrives in the unknown, but when you know, even a little, your mind steadies. Study your fears. Learn what causes your anxiety. Read, reflect, ask. Knowledge won't remove every problem, but it will remove the irrational fear around it. Every book you read is a brick in the wall between you and panic. Lesson 7. Train patience like a muscle. Calmness is not a gift, it's a skill, and like all skills, it needs training. Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Patience is doing nothing in the moment of pressure, over and over, until it becomes your nature. Practice waiting, practice silence, practice not interrupting your emotions. That is the secret to natural calm. Lesson 8. Speak less, listen more. The calmest people in the room often say the least, not because they're shy, because they're powerful. Aristotle believed that speech should aim at truth and value. Before speaking, ask, does this need to be said? Is it true? Is it useful? Polymaths were great listeners first. Calm is the reward of not wasting energy on empty noise. Lesson 9. Discipline over mood. True calm comes from discipline, doing what must be done regardless of mood. You don't rise to the level of your feelings, you fall to the level of your habits. Aristotle believed virtue is a habit, so is calm. Polymaths built routines, morning rituals, thinking hours, learning time, because structure silences chaos. Your daily structure can be your strongest fortress. Lesson 10. Live ethically. A clean soul is a calm soul. The calmest people sleep well, not because they avoid problems, but because they avoid guilt. Aristotle said, the good for man is an activity of the soul in accordance with virtue. Calm comes not from external peace, but from internal alignment. And live truthfully.